today's video, I am showing how to draw and sketch a flower. So this is part of my sketch study before I do a proper painting. So first, I will do an outline of the flower I would be drawing from the reference, of course, and then once it's done, I'm gonna start lining it with a darker pencil. So from HB, I would use like 4B or 6B pencil to darken it. Then I would do the first layer of shading. I try to do it on the middle first to enhance it, and then onto the other petals outside. So the next part is shadowing the parts of the flower. So you need to make sure where your light is and where your shadow should be. So in my case, I'm thinking the light is on top, so the shadow would be at the bottom and on the sides of the flower, which cannot be seen usually. So I would darken it with a 6B pencil, and then this shadow would really help for the flower to be alive and look realistic. Normally I would stop after the shadowing, but I just bought a new pen, so I used that one in this sketch study, and I really loved the result. It's the first time I use this pen because finally I can afford it. And then in my opinion, is really good to use in drawings like this, and maybe you'll see me using this pen more in my next videos.